Hi dear student, we will continue with haloalkane and haloarine. Today I would like to explain some electrophilic substitution or ring substitution reaction. Okay, or it's called as a electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this is ring substitution reaction or electrophilic substitution. Now starting with, okay, if haloalkane like this, haloalkane, okay, haloalkane attached have a 3 lone pair like this and this. Haloalkane attack this side, okay, and remove this and produce negative charge here. Next step, same to same way, negative charge here, remaining double bond acts with positive charge, and here 1 and 2 lone pair with here negative charge. Negative charge attack on this carbon and this to open up this pi bond. Okay, continuously rotation from one place to another, from one place to another, like this. Here negative charge, here back, and here halogen containing positive charge, okay, on opposite direction, with here attacking on this carbon and open up this bond. Okay, here 2 lone pair also same thing. Next step, negative charge here and here double bond, okay, with this part containing positive charge, and here 2 lone pair, 1 and 2 lone pair. So here what will be next? This negative charge attack on this carbon and open up this carbon halogen double bond. So what will be next? Next things is acts, okay, with 1, 2 and 3 bond formation. Here lone pair, arrangement of lone pair like this and like this. Okay, so here both structure are interconvertible. Okay, both structure are interconvertible. So I am saying here structure number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in one structure, this is the resonance structure, okay, of haloarine. Okay, just here, just focus here. I am saying here any halogen containing compound like this halogen, and this is the lone pair like this, 1, 2 and 3 lone pair like this. So here lone pair These lone pair containing, in general terminology, in CX bond nature, we already discussed these things in C. Electronegativity of X more. So here partial negative, here partial positive. In both this side, partial negative, here partial positive, and partial negative. Electron density, remember my dear student, here ortho position, ortho, meta, para position. Okay. Electron density. Now, electron density, what is the logic behind this? Electron density on ortho and para. Electron density increase on ortho and para position. So upcoming group will be coming on ortho and para position. Okay, upcoming group will be coming on ortho and para position. Like this. Group like this, okay. This type of group called ortho and para directing. In this type of group, they pull electron from benzene ring. Okay. This type of group pull electron from benzene ring. Mean to say they are considered as a benzene ring deactivator. Pull electron like this. Electron pulling from benzene ring. Mean to say they are benzene ring deactivator. Okay, benzene ring deactivator. Okay, functional group. This is the basic criteria, and in addition with this, I am adding one more thing. Okay, dear student, remember this is my concept, and why partial negative, partial positive? Because in any chemistry concept, for bond formation requirement of partial negative and partial positive charge. Okay, both are combined and form bond. It's called pull the electron from benzene ring. So here, benzene ring deactivator. Benzene ring deactivate, and due to this resonance like this, double bond. Okay, due to resonance, the strength of this 1, 2 and this 3 condition containing CX double bond. So strength of this bond have been increased. Because of this reason, drastic, not ordinary, not ordinary condition is not required, but drastic conditions required for the substitution. Okay, this is all the logic and concept behind the ring substitution reaction or electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarine compound. I hope it's clear. Okay, I cover entire concept related to it. Now different types of reaction which is possible in haloarine compound. Now dear student, different electrophilic substitution reaction, starting with first and foremost chlorination. Okay, like this. Chlorination plus Cl2 plus FeCl3 ferric chloride, and it will produce 1, 2 Cl, 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 Cl. One two dichlorobenzene plus 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Now dear student, okay, here in remaining all part containing like CH bond, CH bond, CH bond, CH bond, CH bond. Okay, so here one hydrogen, or here in this second position or in fourth position, like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so plus hydrochloric acid as a byproduct in synthesis. Okay, we were getting this byproduct as a hydrochloric acid. Now in FeCl3, okay, so here in chlorination reaction, same to same way, here both chlorine have a 1, 2 and 3 lone pair, like this. Here 1, 2 and 3 lone pair. Here 1, 2 and 3 lone pair. Same way. So here possible, what will be possible? Here repulsion. Repulsion between these and this group possible. Because of this repulsion, this is the minor product, and in this position, this and this symmetry favor. Okay, so that's why 1,4-dichlorobenzene major and 1,2-dichlorobenzene minor. Okay, minor because of repulsion, and here symmetry favor. Here symmetry do not favor. Okay. Now next things, my dear student. Second number position. Nitration. Chlorobenzene plus HNO3 concentrate with H2SO4, okay, and heat. It will produce same to same way, ClNO2 plus ClNO2, okay. for this. Okay, here on the basis of priority, okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4, okay, here 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene, here 1 chloro 4 nitro benzene, okay, these two types in presence of HNO3 and H2SO4. Here the nitration, same way, this is the minor, and next consider as a major, and this is the minor. Major and minor, symmetry favor as well as symmetry do not favor. Here repulsion between these two group, and then lone pair and bulky group, okay, nitro NO2. Next things, dear student, sulfonation. Okay, sulfonation. Sulfonation mean to say presence of sulfuric acid. Third reaction, sulfonation, mean to say here chlorobenzene plus H2SO4, it will produce Cl plus SO3H, okay, plus Cl plus SO3H, like this. On the basis of priority, this is chlorobenzene, sulfuric acid, it produces numbering from here, because sulfonic acid consider as a boss here, 1 2, here 1 2 3 4, okay, 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, here 4 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, okay. Now here same way, symmetry and neighbor group repulsion, okay, because of repulsion between this and this bond group, repulsion between chlorine and SO3H, this consider as a minor, because of repulsion, okay, chlorine never want, okay, upcoming group next upcoming carbon, so this consider as a minor. But here partial positive charge, electron density less, so consider as a para position, and this para position symmetry also favor, like this. So this is the major. Why this is the major? Just see the concept. We have already discussed this concept. Okay, chlorine with 1, 2 and 3 lone pair. Okay, upcoming group have a large in size, so become like this. Repulsive forces, okay, repulsive forces between this and upcoming group. So, and here density, here more and here more, there is a 3 position. So same way both side inhibit due to repulsion, and so SO3H would like to prefer this para position. Okay, in this para position, symmetry also favor. Okay, most stable in any chemical reaction. Okay, most stable product will be more preferable. Okay, by any compound in any synthesis. This is the conceptual things. Okay, most stable product. So SO3H will be more stable in this position. So this is the major, and symmetry also favor this, and repulsion. This is the logic. Okay. Behind this. Next things, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acetylation reaction. Very, very good reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acetylation. Okay. Like this. This is the chlorobenzene. React with CH3X in presence of AlCl3 and heat. Aluminium chloride. Okay. In anhydrous condition. Without water. Okay. Aluminium chloride. So it will finally produce Cl CH3 plus CH3 Cl. Okay. So here, starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2-methyl chlorobenzene, like this. Okay. On the basis of IUPAC rule, okay, alphabetically first, consider as a first. So here 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. Okay, it's okay. Here same way, 1 chloro 4 methyl. On the basis of IUPAC nomenclature, give first priority to functional group which alphabetically first. Okay. We have already aware about this IUPAC rule. Okay. So it's considered as like this. 1 chloromethyl benzene. Mean to say 1 chloromethyl benzene have another name. 1 chloro toluene or 4 chloro toluene. This is the naming. And next things, dear student, this is the alkylation, acetylation. In acetylation, what will be next? Just focus over here. Chlorobenzene plus CH3COCl, okay, or CH3COX in presence of aluminium chloride, anhydrous, and heat. It will produce two types of product. One, second, chlorobenzene, COCH3, COCH3 chlorobenzene. Okay. Here, starting from here, because COCH3 considered as a boss on the basis of priority order of different functional group. Priority given to COCH3 from numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 chloro, like this, 2 chloro methoxy benzene plus 4 chloro methoxy benzene. Here, okay, 2 chloromethoxybenzene, 4 chloromethoxybenzene. Here, same to same, 2 chloromethoxybenzene minor. Here, major. Here, same to same way. This is the major and this is the minor. Here, 2 chloromethoxybenzene mean to say 2 chloro anisole. Here 4 chloro anisole. Okay, just focus here. Okay, it's a, if this is the, I can say this is the major product, and another name of this is like this benzene, 4 chloro anisole. Okay. Now, all electrophilic substitution reaction given by haloarine or chlorobenzene. Okay. We have already covered all the reaction. Now, dear student, I would like to say, next upcoming video, we will discuss about Grignard, okay, Wood's reaction and their concept, okay, related to synthesis, and what is the criteria and what is the things favorable, and their moisture sensitive reaction and their concept related, a very good discussion. Okay, so don't miss my video, upcoming video. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't press bell icon, so you will be updated with my new video. Bye bye student.